Okay, so when you get here, it's like 3 pictures, and then you have a flat screen TV. This is like the only TV in the house, so just keep that in mind. This is a boom box. I didn't even know. This looks like you turn it on like this, and it's like lit up, you know? And then you have your table here. You can put your coffee or whatever. And this art right here is really nice. This art behind us is like really nice. I like that right there. This art right here is really nice. Boop. Here is the couch. It is like a little throwover, you know. You know, when you get a little tired, you could just be like, kick your feet up. Okay. And then behind the living room is a dining table. It fits 8 people. And here is Celine, get the camera, Celine. Okay, my cousin might take a look. It's all a sister right here. This is where the magic happens.
Ooh, this lighting is good.
It is? This is where the magic happens. This morning we made some pancakes and waffles. That should be so good. And we got the refrigerator over here. It makes ice and it gives you water. Yeah. But they put extra water right here so we could drink out of it because Mexico water is disgusting. And then we got our nice little, this is a gas stove, right? Yeah. We got a nice little gas stove right here. Then, what's this? In the cabinets, they have like nasty seasoning that you can't even pronounce. And what else? We got our Tupperware right here. And then we got our wine glasses, shot glasses, and regular glasses. So, and then you have your sink here. The sink doesn't really push out as much. It's just like, it's not like Jersey is a lot of water, but it's like a little bit of water. And then we got the microwave, and then the toaster oven. Okay, all right. Now we gotta go outside. We gotta go outside. Come. It's really humid out here. So right here, we have something. What is this? What is this? Yeah, it stinks out here too. Something you lay on. Yeah, a couch chair. And then we have another table here that fits 6 people. Then we got my sister right here. She's working, you know. Yeah.
That's the only video.
And then we have a pool. It looks way much smaller when you get here. And then you can cook on the grill. You make your hot dogs, your hamburgers. And then don't forget the shower. Oh. Then we have a little shower, outside shower. I don't know who's gonna use this, but I'm not. It don't even work. It doesn't work. It works? It works. Can you get Okay. Okay. All right. So right here we got our little lounge chairs. You can just sit back, relax, you know, and enjoy the show. You know, put your legs up. You sweating? No, I got in the water. Oh. Then we got a nice little tree, it's cute. And then some more lounge chairs right here. And it's like lounge. This is really cute. It got lounge chairs inside the water. You can just like sit and chill. Oh, I didn't even see it here. Okay, this is room number 1. Yeah. And it's like a king bed. No TV at all. And then it has 2 closets. I think all the rooms got 2 closets. They provide hangers as well, if you want hangers. Alright, that's cute. Look at this aesthetic. It's aesthetically pleasing. And then is a shower to your right. Overflows on the bottom a little bit. And then
thanks for letting me know.
Yeah. And then you have your sink, your mirror. Okay, we about to go into the next room. All the rooms, they really look the same. Yeah. So it's gonna be like real quick.
If I let you know, you can tell nobody, I'll tell nobody. Are you responsible? Boy, I gotta watch my back, 'cause I'm not just sitting around.
Hi, y'all. This is Dee Dee and Peach. Say hi to the vlog. This is their room. Their room looks like similar to the other room. It's a king bed. Yeah. And then this thingy. They got a mirror and
Another aesthetically.
yeah, pleasing mirror. And then they got the little constant thingy. I guess that's what it is. And then their nice little closet. They set up. Look real nice. It's big. It's real big. You can put another bed in there. Yeah. And then you have their bathroom, same as the other room, really. Alright, so baño. That's how they say it in Spanish, baño. And then it really looks the same. Yeah. All of that. Same. Alright. So we're about to head upstairs to the other room. So where the babies happen at. Ain't no babies happening over here. Oh yeah, we forgot to mention they have like nice tall windows. The windows are so tall. Like all the windows, all the windows are like this. Yeah. So you don't really need any light because the sun is gonna come in.
Say hi to the vlog.
He takes care of us. All right, so now we about to
Look
go.
at this though.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, so now we about to go outside. This is where the jacuzzi is. Yeah. Okay. This is my favorite part of the house. This is really banging. I'm telling you. They have seating over here, right here, for the girls. Look at the butterflies. Yeah. Oh my God. This is like everywhere. They have like, I think cocoons and other. And then you can sit right here. We can chill. You can put your feet up. You know. All right. And then right here is another shower. I don't know if it works or not. Yeah, shower. And then we got the jacuzzi. Get into it. It looks kind of smaller than what it looked in the video, but it looked the same to me. A little bit. Yeah. Do the little shaky thingy.
Jets? Yeah.
It's another little lounge thing. I don't know who's gonna be out here because my sister wanted to sleep outside.
Yeah, but I don't know what happened.
Crazy. It's hot. All right, so this is the master bedroom. So come on. It starts with the bathroom. Y'all know we need double sinks. You know, two for one. Then we have the water because the water here is no good, so you have to get your water. The lighting is
The lighting sucks.
Yeah. Then you have another bathroom. Yeah. Everything's clean.
The lighting is good right here.
It is.
Yeah.
Sorry, we stepping here while I show. I really want to take a shower in here. Wait, can you not? Okay. So this is a separate shower outside. So if you want to come here with your boyfriend or your girlfriend, do it. So yeah, this is nice out here. I think you can sit here and do whatever. She get on my nerves. I'm definitely taking a shower out here. It's nice. And then there's another aesthetic right here. Cute. This is the master bedroom. And right here is me and Kia's closet. So we got our clothes in here. Get ready for that fashion overhaul period. And then there's nothing in here but our suitcases. Nothing really. And then you got all of this stuff. Toothbrushes, toothpaste, and all of that. And then they have a compartment down here so we can put our luggage. So this is cool too. Put the luggage down there. Yeah. Then we have our little couch here. Couch sitting area. Yeah. What's this?
The blinds.
It's a, where is the window? Oh, it's a window. Let me see. Oh, you gotta do that one too. Oh, look guys, it's another window. See, that's how I want to get room because the video is fucking popping. Yeah. We outside. We outside. We outside. All right. Okay, here is the balcony. It's really, really nice. You can see everything from downstairs from here. Is it walkway? Yeah, it's nothing here. It's nothing here. Yeah, it's nothing over here. It's cute price of it.
Wouldn't it be dope if you could get to the shower from there?
Oh, yeah. It's cute, but it's probably cute for pictures or whatever. So you can see the scenery downstairs and everybody. Look at Poncho. Oh. Okay, so come on. Let's just follow us and we're going to check off downstairs. So just look at everything.
Boy, I've been watching you. Boy, I've been watching you. Boy, I've been watching you. Boy, I've been watching you.
So much for watching our video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. And you can follow Kia at Keyonce, Key.Yonce with 3 E's. And you can follow me at Also Dreamy 3 Y's. And you can follow us at Goddamn Twins now. Peace and get out.